AI School Builder Review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now in this video we'll talk about this awesome software called AI School Builder. So right now we are on the sales page where you can use the coupon code SCHOOL2 to get maybe $2 or $3 discount. So it shows $2, but if you try to come to the sales page for the first time and move away, you will get $3 discount, okay? So how do you come to the sales page? For that, you can click the link below my YouTube video, which says grab AI School Builder copy here. Click on that link, come to the sales page, and watch the video till the end to know about my bonuses. I don't discuss the bonuses in the beginning. You will see the bonuses in the end of the video, okay? So stick till the end. Right now it says Breakthrough app lets you launch a full AI powered school where realistic AI teachers teach math, science, biology, geography, history, English, and any subject 24/7. All you have to do is click on this thing called watch demo, okay? So once you click on watch demo, watch this 4 minutes long demo video, which I'll show you right now here. It's a cool software, does the very excellent job, okay? So once you're logged in into the dashboard, these are your AI teachers. And then let me show you the end result, how it looks like. So let's play one of the videos. You can choose multiple language for your courses or for your sessions. And it's generating the first one. It's, I guess, maybe maths teacher. Yeah, so he's the maths teacher. You can always watch the demo video. I have muted the sound. You can go and watch the demo video on the sales page and listen to what this AI is saying. So it's like, people will be asking questions verbally to the AI and he will be answering those questions verbally in the voice, okay? Similarly, second example could be of this biology teacher, Maya Johnson, right? So she's a biology teacher. So somebody asking a question verbally and she's answering the question verbally as well. And then we have one more example of geography, Olivia Chen. So it's cool software. Go and watch the demo video, okay? Because these human, like, obviously it's all AI, we know that, right? But it's for kids, I think it's interactive. So kids, students, it will be fun. It will be really fun. So go and watch the video. It's a great software. As of now, I think it's a great software because now we are living in the world of AI. So yeah, AI is good and AI is bad at the same time because AI is good because you're consuming AI, so they have the demand. So on the other end, in the long run, it's not good for the planet, but that's not what the topic is in this video. So the review is done. Go and grab this copy from my link below, get all the bonuses as well, AI school teacher and whatever. Okay, so let's get to the sales page because I told you the more AI you use, the more demand you are creating. Okay, nobody's stopping you from buying this, but what I'm saying is, morally, the more you consume AI, the more demand you are creating for the companies like Elon Musk and other big fishes. So those people have to supply. You are the consumer. They have to make sure they keep producing AI content, AI data centers, this and that, and eventually this planet will be fucked up. This thing called overheating problem, climate problem. Yeah, in next 100 years, this planet will be more fucked up. Okay, so people may not realize right now. People may not realize right now what they are doing. The more you accept AI in your daily life, you're actually giving them the reason to work on AI. I really can't make a decision here, and I'm nobody. You and I don't think we can do a shit here. But every time I do these AI reviews or AI videos, somewhere inside me, I just can't accept it. I will just speak it out. My review is done. Review is done. I'm just taking my time to just vomit this out because the more you consume AI, it sounds good. It seems good. It is good. But in the back end, you don't know what's happening. In the back end, thousands and millions of computers are running, producing heat, consuming electricity. Then the energy is, out. Climate is warming up. Too much heat is being produced, and that's not good for planet. That's not good for anybody. In 100 years, we'll be all fucked up. We'll be all screwed. So think about it. I can't do much. You can't do much. So how long will the one-time price? Blah blah blah. The software is cool. Okay, two things are different. software is cool and my lecture was different. My lecture was all about, see, we can easily blame that those people are making data centers. We can blame Elon Musk, we can blame, Microsoft or Google or whatever. Okay, we can blame them. They're making data centers. They are, causing problem to the nature. But at the same time, when you raise one finger towards somebody else, you're raising three fingers towards yourself. Because if you don't consume AI, then they don't have the need to produce. Okay, let me give an example. The video is getting extra longer just for no reason. But if you stop using electric cars, then they will be out of business and they will stop making electric cars. Okay, so they only make electric cars because you consume them, because you buy them. Similarly, the moment everybody stops using ChatGPT or any kind of AI tool, they will not produce it anymore because there's no user. So this is demand supply. You consume, they have to produce. Okay? Somewhere we are the reason for them to do this. You quit, you boycott AI. Everybody, you means not just you. If every single person on the planet boycotts AI, then there is no AI. But some things are pre-written. This is destined to happen, and that's how the world has to finish. That's how we have to That's how we have to reach the end of the planet. You call this technology. I call this the end is coming. You just can't say it. Some people can. OTOs, we have them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 OTOs. Okay, go and buy. It's a cool software. Nobody's stopping you from buying it. The lecture was about the reality, because you and I will die. Who will pay the price? Your grandkids. People living on this planet after 100 years, they will be suffering, not you and me. So data centers, this and that, it's all going to fuck up this earth, which already has. Look at what has happened in Europe. The climate change, they can't bear 40 degrees Celsius temperatures now. I mean, everything is right in front of your eyes. You keep consuming AI, and they will have no choice than to produce. We are the problems, not them. We can blame them. Microsoft is making data centers, Google is making data centers, Apple is making data centers. We can keep blaming them. But they're only making because we are consuming it. Okay? So when you want to buy an electric car, buy an electric car, they have to produce it. I think we are done. Maybe I will leave this maybe for some other video. But this AI school teacher, whatever this is, it's a cool software. Software has no problem. Go and pick this up, buy from me, and just watch the video till the end now to know what the bonuses are. Alrighty, humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access Review2Profi AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so Review2Profi AI. And if you want to see the demo video for Review2Profi AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for Review2Profi AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours, 9 minutes. And in this training, you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only It's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this if you are serious about making money on YouTube. This is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.